Go on.
Really.
Sir Speid, wonderful win today. 2-Love beating Harbour FC. Your tactics was clear. Allow them to play the ball around the back. When you get in the military, you try to fetch and get the ball from them. Tell us about your win today, coach.
Well, the pitch is big and wide, so we kind of realized that the Harbour team was a little bit slow, so we decided to go with a lot of pace. If you notice, we started some very quick players up the top of the field, and then we had Pearson who came back for his first game. It was really an excellent pass at the game. So we had all the ammunition in the right places, and football is about getting the right person in the right position to the right thing. So all of that fell together. After we went 2-0 up, we're like the second best defensive team in the league, so I wasn't perturbed that they would be able to score 3 goals on us. So what we did was just defend it in our own half and just play them on the counter, and then just manage the game today.
Your team played well in the moment. I also saw Pearson making a good pass through the middle, but some of the times I see him limping. Is there a problem with his injury or stuff like that?
Yeah, well, remember, Pearson just came back after a layoff almost a month. So, yeah, he has a slight niggling injury. We're working on it. But I wouldn't be worried. He's one of those fighters, those persons that will play out his heart. So I'm fine with what he's doing. And when his job is done, we'll put on somebody else to continue.
Just watch the replay on the red card incident. Didn't saw the player really, elbow in the body, just 2 heads collided. What's your take on it?
I'll have to look on it, but the nation is good. I don't think he will make a mistake, but we'll review it. And if it is what you say it is, we'll probably have to take it.
Okay, thank you very much, Sir Speid. Continue to do good work, and I hope you continue to get more wins.
Thank you.
All right. So just a few. Not finish yet, man. Just a few more questions.
Yeah.
There was a lot of interchangeability in the team. This based off what I saw this evening. Really, really impressed with how the team play overall. And what led to you making those little small changes, just so small tweaks to the team? Because Harbour seems a bit clueless. They didn't have understand what we were trying to do. What really led to that? Was it a case in which you went to the drawing board and you really put this plan together for this Harbour team?
Well, it's kind of the plan that we have going forward. One of the good things to also, if you notice, all the players was like 22 or younger, so they understand each other much better. A lot of young players, and we went through each person's role in detail this week and said, this is what I wanted to do, this is what I wanted to do, recognizing that they're all different individuals. If you know that Dwayne Atkins was his best dribbling, Pearson was his best passing, Anderson was his best running, so we just combine all of that we had together. And in addition, we're probably the best passing team in the league. A lot of people don't know that either. So today, you're noticing the tight spaces where you have to knock the ball out. So it's more of that to come.
Yeah. Well, in regards to best passing, we'll see when you face against Dumby Holding again. But it was a good performance. I really enjoyed that one. Your man of the match, he really, really dominated the central zone. What was the instruction from you to him? Through this game?
He's one of the persons that is very underrated. He's probably the best holding midfielder in terms of retaining possession in the league. A lot of people don't have any plan for him, but his job was to ensure that the ball keep ticking around, moving around. Nothing else special. Of course, he got a goal as bonus, so he had a very outstanding game. But he's one of the most underrated players in the league, not Ricochet Murray. And I'm sure people will start to see his work in the future.
All right, so good game, coach. 5th position.
Yes,
well done.
Thanks.